We are back in the deep jungle again today, ingratiating ourselves with a man in the depths of the wilderness. We'll learn to hunt, cook, and survive in this hostile jungle environment with the him who do so day to day. People who live in the far corners of the world survive, experiencing their way of life and learning how they hunt and forage for food. We learn firsthand exactly what it means to hunt. A man who lives on the coast of deep forest, a land that remained unknown for a long time, free from outsiders, discouraged by the wildlife's terrifying reputation as cannibals and headhunters. Life in the jungle can be challenging but also rewarding. It is a place of beauty and abundance, but it is also a place of danger and uncertainty. Those who live in the jungle must be resourceful and adaptable in order to survive. Some people may feel a deep and abiding love for their lives. Even when things are tough, they may find joy in the simple things, such as spending time with nature, enjoying nature, or learning new things. They may also feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment, knowing they are making a life more accessible. Watching from the deep jungle, we still have tribes in there, but just show a guy hunting for food. In the jungle, people also have a number of cognitive abilities that are helpful for hunting, such as their ability to track prey, their ability to cooperate with others, and their ability to plan ahead. However, there are also reasons to believe that our modern lifestyle has made us less likely to hunt. For example, we now have access to a wide variety of food sources, many of which are easier to obtain than wild game. We also live in much more densely populated areas, which makes it more difficult. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thanks again for watching.